Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and stopping the crashing process. First, back up photos and messages to cloud or PC so you won't lose anything. Then open Settings, find Apps, select your launcher and tap Force Stop to clear the current error state. Once done, reboot into Safe Mode to see whether a third-party app triggers the issue. Safe Mode disables non-system apps so you can isolate the problem quickly and with minimal risk. Next, address corrupted cache and outdated code. Go to Settings, Apps, Launcher Storage and tap Clear Cache, then clear storage if problems persist. Note this resets home layout. After clearing, restart the launcher or your device to apply changes. Make sure the launcher and system are up to date. Open Play Store to update or reinstall the launcher, and use Settings System Update to install Android patches that often fix compatibility. If problems continue, use advanced recovery paths to restore function. Create a new user profile or install an alternative launcher from the Play Store so you can use the device while fixing the original launcher. If nothing helps, factory reset is the last resort. Back up everything first, then Settings System Reset to wipe and start fresh. For persistent or reproducible failures, enable developer options and capture logs, or contact manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.